chai latte.
Okay, absolutely. Today is a very special day. I am so excited because I'm uploading this on December 1st. I'm sure you guys saw by the title. Today is the first official day of Vlogmas 2021, but welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. Obviously, today is the first official day of Vlogmas, so I'm gonna be taking you guys through my day today. I wanted to post this on December 1st for like the, intro to Vlogmas. So today is actually November 30th. I'm filming this the day before. I'm gonna edit it tonight and get this up for you guys tomorrow. But I have a lot of fun things planned for today. I think we're gonna go Christmas shopping, which would be fun. I want to go to the outlet malls. Obviously, we cannot do any errands without running and getting a holiday Starbucks drink, so I think we're gonna go do that right after this. And then I'm gonna also show you guys our apartment for like a little Christmas apartment tour. We did decorate about a week ago. It looks so cute and cozy in here. I never film like a Christmas decorate with me because Devin and I, like I've said this before, but we just have like our own like little, I don't know, almost like romantic night decorating, and I love that. So you guys actually haven't even seen my apartment, done for Christmas, so I'm gonna actually show you guys that before we go, but today should be fun. But I do just want to quickly mention that I'm not going to do Vlogmas fully, I guess. I feel like that's like the quickest way to burn out. Like filming, editing, and uploading every single day in the month of December is absolutely insane, and I really, really respect the people who do that, but that's not for me. You guys know I can barely get 2 videos up a week, so that's not gonna happen. The way I plan to do Vlogmas is, I think how Vlogmas is kind of like turning into is just doing like days and then uploading them. Like I said, we're actually about to leave and go to the outlet mall. I got a text. To do a little bit of shopping and get a coffee, but before we go, I actually want to show you guys our just at least like living room, like our little cozy apartment, do like a little Christmas apartment tour because it looks so cute and cozy in here. I love the way that like we decorate for Christmas, and I just, want to share it with you guys. So this is like our little entryway area. We have like a really cute table like down there decorated, but you actually come up from our front door, and this is what our living room looks like. So this is obviously a lot cozier at night, but I love to like keep a fireplace burning during like the cozy seasons. I just love the sound of it, and I wish we had a real one. But we just have, like some little flocked stems there. We have little Christmas trees on either side of these things. If you guys remember in fall, I actually had white pumpkins there. I replaced them with little snow and some Christmas trees. Then over here is our Christmas tree and our stockings. I love putting our stockings on a blanket ladder since obviously we don't have a fireplace, and it just kind of helps like, reduce the amount of nails in the wall. So these are our stockings, and this is our tree. You guys will see, like I do a lot of like black and white and red, especially a lot of white and red. I think white and red is just so like almost like traditional, but still so modern. So we have a lot of really pretty ornaments on them. We have one for Devin, Lola, Maya, and I. We have some candy canes, just a lot of like really just pretty ornaments. We actually did this the first year with Maya, so this is from our first Christmas. We have our little paw print. Oh yeah, I love this one. I actually got this in Tennessee. Happiness is a cup of coffee. We also have to have Lola on the tree too, so this is our rabbit Lola. So cute, love that. And then we also have one of Maya right there. And then when you turn around, this is what our couch looks like. I just have a white Christmas tree and a candle that says it's beginning to smell a lot like Christmas. We have some white pillows over here, obviously a red lumbar pillow with Santa flying through the sky, a little checkered blanket, and we have Maya. I'm only gonna show you guys a little bit of our kitchen because it's messy right now. Devin just made some food and I was not preparing to do like a little Christmas apartment tour. So moving from the living room into the kitchen, we have this wall here. So we just added like these white shelves, obviously our plants, and then these little black deer, which I love. These I actually got from Home Goods like 2 years ago with my mom, and these are probably like by far my favorite Christmas decorations that I have. And then over here, just ignore the food out there, you're supposed to put that away, but we just have our little hot chocolate bar by our Keurig, super cute. And then over here we just have a little Christmas tree on our like little coffee bar, which I absolutely love. Right now we're about to head out. It's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon, which is crazy. So we're gonna head out to the outlet malls because we still have like a 30-minute drive there, and we're gonna do a little Christmas shopping, and I also need to stop by Michael's and get some wrapping paper.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Can I have a grande vanilla latte, please?
A grande vanilla latte. What else can I get for you?
Could I actually do 3 pumps of vanilla and 2 pumps of peppermint in that with whipped cream?
I love the card, by the way.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
That girl was so nice.
All right,
let's find a spot here. Oh, and of course there's a lady next to me. And what is this lighting? All right, hang on, actually, nope. All right, there we go. This is better. So I changed my mind last minute. I was gonna get the sugar cookie, like almond milk latte. I've tried that. I think it's so good. But I got this last time and it is so good, you guys. I love a good vanilla latte. My go-to order has been lately a grande latte with 3 pumps of vanilla, 2 pumps of peppermint syrup, and whipped cream. It is so good, 10 out of 10. So I got that, a water, and then I realized I have not eaten a single thing today, you guys. It is 3:36 in the afternoon. It literally looks like it's like 8 p.m. right now. So I got myself the sausage I got myself the sausage, egg, and cheddar breakfast sandwich. This is like my go-to sandwich at Starbucks. So good. I saw this post on Instagram. I reposted on my story. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely should. It's just Kaylan_Kerbler. I think it's so funny. I'll show you guys. Okay. Okay. Wait, is it backwards? It might be backwards. I don't know. I thought that was funny, but that's literally how I feel. It's like 4 p.m. and I'm like, all right, I'm ready to get my PJs and I'm done for the day. But yeah, anyways, actually I have to put in the GPS for the outlet mall. All right, it says that we're 25 minutes away. That's honestly not that bad. So I'm gonna put on my GPS. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, enjoy my breakfast sandwich while we drive here. But I'm telling you guys, if you guys need a good like holiday Starbucks drink, so good. Oh my God, there was someone in that car next to me the whole time. So I just got here, I just did my return, and you guys, it is so dead. I've honestly never seen it this empty before. Like, do you guys see this? I was like really nervous it was gonna be busy, but I guess it is Tuesday, so it's like the day after Cyber Monday and Black Friday. I don't go out on those days, but I'm guessing a lot of people did. I'm also trying to get over my fear of vlogging, so I'm just pushing through it, even though people are looking at me. But yeah, it's not going so well. Okay, these are actually really cute and a really good price, 30% off. I think this one's really cute for the holidays. They have a chocolate brown, a pink, so cute. These PJ tops are only $10. This one's so cute. It says here for the cheer. This one's also really cute. I wish it didn't say Old Navy on it, but it's still cute. And I love the heather gray too, for only $10. You guys, why did I forget how good Old Navy's prices are? I've not been here in literally probably years. I usually just look online. This is literally such a good place for gifts. Like, everything's on sale, especially the outlet. Like, look how cute these are. They're 40% off. There's so many like good t-shirts in here for $10. I'm like, okay, Old Navy. So this is the one that I picked out for myself, of course. It's the pink one. It says Very Merry. I'm gonna see how much it is on the little price scanner with 60% off. Okay, absolutely. Yes. This is a yes for sure. All right, I'm back in the car. That was successful and unsuccessful at the same time. I only got something at Old Navy. I ended up getting just like a little t-shirt for Devin's little, what is he? Maybe his nephew, for Devin's nephew. And then I also got, as I showed you guys in store 500 times, I also got this little t-shirt that says Very Merry. I think it's so cute. I love the pink, even though it's like Christmassy. I think the pink is so cute. I got mine in an extra large, that way it's oversized. This is their Easy Tee, if any of you guys are interested. But yeah, so I ended up getting myself something. That is actually, I think, the first thing that I bought myself since Christmas shopping. Which that's doing pretty good, especially since it was only $5.99. Normally I buy myself like just as much as I buy other people. But yeah, so right now, I don't know why I picked up my camera like that. I'm about to leave the outlets. I need to go to somewhere to get wrapping paper. Maybe I'll actually go to Target. I was gonna go to Michael's because that's where I got it last year, but I feel like Target has a lot of like really cute gift bags and stuff, so maybe I'll just stop by Target. I don't really want to go to Michael's. We ended up at Home Goods instead of Target because Target is like 15 minutes at this point with all the traffic out of the way. So I'm like, you know what, I'll just go into Home Goods. I'm not gonna get too much tonight anyways because I want to go home and like look at all the bags and stuff that I do have and like the gifts and like what actually needs a bag, just because I don't want to overbuy. So I'm actually gonna run into Home Goods, see what they have. Hopefully they have a few cute bags, and it's also like obviously really affordable. I'm back home sitting on the floor. I'm about to show you guys what I got. I actually did end up going to Target. I just did a Target pickup order for some bags just because there was nothing on Home Goods and I really wanted to like get some bags. Even though I'm not gonna wrap tonight, you know, I still wanted to get them. I haven't even looked at these, so I'll show you guys what I got. Oh my gosh, okay, this bag is already way smaller than I thought. That's what I was nervous about. This said it was a large online. This is not very large. It's still cute though. I just thought it was cute. It said marry everything. It's the red and white, like you guys know I like. It just like, I don't know, it's very aesthetic under the tree. So hopefully I'll find something to put in that. I was gonna put a big gift in it, but apparently not because this is not very big. Oh yeah, I also changed into my t-shirt. Looks so cute. It is so cozy, you guys. I love it so much. It's just like the perfect like oversized coziness. I think I already told you guys, but I ended up getting an extra large in it, so that way it was oversized. All right, the next thing that I got is this bag. This one said it was extra large. I was like looking, I'm like, do they have extra large? This one said it's extra large. I think this one's gonna work for the gift. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see, but these bags are not very big at all. Not really my whole vibe for under the tree, but I feel like it's already hard enough to find bags that are like decently big, let alone bags that like will actually go with my Christmas aesthetic. Christmas aesthetic. I've literally tried to say that sentence 5 times off of camera. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with that. Oh yeah, I also got these boxes. So I got, this is a set of 2. They're the 2 count robe boxes. They say Merry Christmas on them, super cute. Home Goods only had 2 different boxes. They were both squares, like they weren't like the big boxes like this. And then they had like gnomes on them. I don't know, I didn't really like them. Gnomes seem to be really in this year. I don't know, I'm not really a big gnome person. So I went with these ones from Target. These were actually a little bit more expensive. They were $3 for the boxes, but see, these are nice because you don't have to use wrapping paper. At least I don't. I just like pick out cute boxes like this, and then I just like put the gift tag right on it and you're good to go. So I got these, and then I also got just a set of white ones. Anyways, that's all I picked up. Like I said, I still didn't want to get too much just because I don't know what I'm going to wrap and what I'm going to put in bags yet, but I knew for sure that I at least needed these because I have a few tops that I need to put in there, and then like I said, I have a few specific presents in mind that need to go in big bags. Anyways, that's my little Target haul. I just made some hot lemon water. Devin actually got his Burger King for dinner. I did not show you guys that, and I'm kind of feeling a little, you know, gross because I did not eat the best today. So I'm drinking a cup of hot lemon water. I've been loving some hot lemon water, especially in the morning before my coffee, like right when I wake up. I feel like it just like, I just feel like so much better, and I just feel like, I don't know, just like not as heavy. Like, you know when you eat bad, like you feel really heavy. I feel like it's just like really good at just like cleansing your body. So I've been loving some hot lemon water. So I just made some. It's too hot to drink right now though. But yeah, so right now I'm just sitting on the floor relaxing. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys our apartment when it's darker out. I only have one light on, so I'm hoping like the quality is not too bad. That's why the lighting's not great right now. But you guys, look how cozy our little apartment is in the evening. I'll show you guys a little bit better. You definitely could not capture like the full coziness on camera, but it's just so nice with the fireplace crackling, the Christmas tree on. I'm just sitting here just enjoying the nice relaxing evening. So Devin's actually upstairs playing his little video games. He's playing Fortnite. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna play The Sims now. I have not played The Sims in 8 years at least, probably, and for some reason it was like 2 or 3 nights ago, I think it was 3 nights ago, I was like, you know what, I want to play The Sims. Like, I've just had this urge to like want to play The Sims, so I downloaded it for $5. It was just like so nostalgic. I just like forgot how fun The Sims is. So we're going to open up my laptop and I'm gonna play The Sims. The last girl I created, I didn't really like her. Like, I kind of want to like redo everything.